Assalamu alaikum dear students, welcome back to Qura Education System e-learnings. It's your English lecturer and I am your English teacher Anam. We have started tenses, we have completed indefinite and continuous tense, we have started perfect now, we have completed present perfect tense, now we will move to the past perfect tense. Perfect tense is also very easy, so understand it very easily. To understand past perfect, first we have to understand its definition. So what is the definition? The definition is it tells us about a work which is done in the past. Obviously that is what past tells us about, something that happens before. It's called past. So in perfect it must be necessary that it. So to make past perfect tense we have to know what. Yes, now you remember. Good to know. Anything to make any tenses, what we have to know about its helping verb. What are the helping verbs we will use in past? Obviously, same helping verb will be used for both form, singular and plurals. We will use had. For example, you can see over here, I had, he had, she had, it had, noun had. We had, you had, they had. So now it is more easy for you to make tense. Now how we will make the tense, but before that we have to learn about the examples. Look at these sentences in the picture. He had gone to the library. He is singular and had gone to the library. The next one is we had shopped in this market. Third one is we had watched movies in the cineplex. You had shopped in that market, This market, that market, we, you. This is making of affirmative sentences, how to form past perfect affirmative or single sentences. Subject, which I have told you so many times, will come at the first when we are making affirmative sentences. Then will come helping verb, which is had in case of past perfect tense. Third form of verb we are using over here, and in the last we have object. So here are few examples. I had written articles. I subject, had helping verb, written third form of verb of write articles is an object. He had read various kind of books, and the last one is they had played football. I don't know if I have any more example for affirmative. Now we will make negative of past perfect tense. Past perfect negative, it's too easy. As you remember how we make negative in present perfect tense, we just added not to make it negative. So you can see making over here, first will come subject, after that had, then not, third form of verb, and in the end will come object. Here are few examples related to past perfect negative. I had not written articles on different topic. I subject, had helping verb, we added not to make it negative. Written third form of verb, articles on different topic. Now second example, he had not read various kind of books, and the last one, they had not played football. Now we will make interrogative of past perfect tense. Obviously now you are very skilled in tenses. Now you know how to make question of any tense. What will come at the first? Very good. Had, which is an helping verb. First will come had, then subject, third form of verb, and in the last will come object. So what are the examples? Here are the examples. Had comes first, which is helping verb to make it question or interrogative. I, subject, written third form of verb, articles, object on different topic. The second example is had he read various kind of books, and the third is had they played football. Now we will revise our topic or our today's lecture. To make past perfect, we have to remember one thing, that helping verb and form of verb. Helping verb will be had and form of verb will be third form of verb. Making of all the tenses will remain same. There won't be any difference to make any tenses. Okay, so this is end of our lecture. If you have any kind of question regarding to the video or topic, you can contact me on the given information I have shared over here. You please watch our channel, subscribe and like. go and visit our Facebook page also. I am sharing a link over here. If you like our page or if you have any question, please comment. I will be waiting for your feedback. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.